Modern EHS interviews prioritize solving floor-level crises over simple compliance quizzes. The STAR framework, situation, task, action, and result, provides a structured response for any behavioral scenario. Applying this structure demonstrates your ability to balance safety requirements with the operational needs of the business. Internalizing this algorithm helps prevent your mind from going blank when you're hit with high-stakes, unexpected questions. Imagine a veteran worker in a high-heat environment who refuses to wear a required face shield. Look at the variables on this chart. When a worker refuses PPE, an immediate write-up often misses these underlying organizational or environmental factors. By pulling the worker aside, you discover the shield is fogging up and blocking their vision. You source an anti-fog alternative, achieving full compliance without issuing a single write-up. Resolving safety resistance requires investigating the reasons behind human behavior, rather than relying solely on the safety manual. Now, consider a pitch for a $20,000 guardrail system to a CFO focused exclusively on the bottom line. To secure the budget, you conduct a cost-benefit analysis that calculates the direct medical expenses and the indirect downtime of a potential workplace fall. This subtraction shows the real cost avoidance. We take the $84,090 potential loss from an incident and subtract our $1,500 investment. Dividing that avoidance by the initial investment reveals a return on investment of over 5,000%. Framing safety initiatives as high-yield financial investments is the most reliable strategy to win executive buy-in. Here is a technical recall test. An employee with a pre-existing knee injury has a flare-up while walking down a clear factory aisle. Is this OSHA recordable? It is not. Because the injury was not caused or significantly aggravated by a specific hazard in the workplace environment, it does not meet the recording criteria. Next, consider the rollout of a digital monitoring app to a workforce that fears surveillance. A human-centric plan, gathering feedback, selecting offline-capable tools, and using safety champions to pilot the change can lead to 85% adoption. Technical expertise needs the support of strong change management skills to implement lasting safety transitions. In our final scenario, a production manager demands bypassing lockout-tagout procedures to clear a machine jam and meet a shipping deadline. You halt the line and use NIOSH injury data to support your position. Then, you partner with engineering to find a safe alternative, de-energizing one localized segment of the machine while adjacent lines continue to run. Effective leadership protects production momentum while refusing to compromise on fatal energy hazards. These 5 scenarios illustrate the mindsets needed for modern safety leadership: empathy, ROI math, technical logic, change management, and courage. Stop memorizing standards for your next interview. Practicing these real-world solutions proves you can handle the job. For more strategies on OSHA compliance and advancing your safety career, subscribe to the HSE Study channel. Click one of the videos on your screen now to continue preparing for your next interview.